Hi friends! Today we're going to learn 3 new words in English. Are you ready? Great! Let's start. Wet, nervous, dirty, wet, nervous, dirty. Now, let's match the photos with their names. The first one is wet. The second one is nervous. And the last one is dirty. Wet, nervous, dirty. How about we spell and pronounce the words together? What is this? This is wet. W-E-T. Wet. What is this? This is nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous. What is this? This is dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Superb. Now listen and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
Be careful. The floor is wet. When it's wet, it's slippery. You may fall and hurt yourself.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Wet. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
I always get nervous before exams. When I feel nervous, I can't concentrate and answer even the easy questions.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Nervous. Now listen again and try to understand what does Mr. Baker talk about.
My hair is dirty. I need to wash them. When my hair is dirty, it looks untidy.
What does Mr. Baker talk about? Dirty. And finally, let's put these words in sentences. The paint is still wet. Do you feel nervous before exams? Don't drink the water, it's dirty. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.